Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to not only give you a statistical lesson, but we're also going to give you a life lesson. I'm going to teach you a handy dandy way to crush a can with your bare hands. You've probably seen videos of people, or maybe even at parties in real life, crushing cans on their forehead. That's not a very good way to crush a can. You could hurt yourself, you could end up with red circles on your forehead, and this is a much simpler, better way. So I'm going to give you a little extra today, some life practical knowledge that you can use. When we get done, what we're going to do for our statistical test, we're going to try different kinds of cans here, and we're going to crush them using this technique, and then we're going to measure how well they got crushed. So we're going to see how small they got from the crushing process. And that'll be the dependent variable for our statistical test in this example. All right, so now I'm going to actually show you how to crush the can. Now the thing you have to appreciate with this can crushing technique is that the can is a lot stronger vertically than it is horizontally, so you have to exploit that in order to do this can crushing technique. So what you do is you start by making a diagonal dent in the side of the can like that. And just make a diagonal, and then you make a series of those around the can like that. Like that. So now I've got this sort of twisted look to the can, and then all I do is I just twist it right down and it collapses in on itself, and then you give a little squeeze at the end. So that's the first one. Let's try Mountain Dew, or I'm sorry, Dr. Pepper. Okay, so we have all our data. So let's go ahead and take that data to our statistical war room, where we'll apply the technique of ANOVA to figuring out the differences between these crushed cans and see which one are easiest and hardest to crush. Okay, so we figured out the answer to the question, and it turns out beer cans are the easiest ones to crush, which is a good thing, because the next time you go on a bender, your neighbors won't know, because your cans will be crushed so small in your recycling bin.